Alright, second half of the third weekend of February is here. February 18th, 2024. Tyler Hayes here, 1306. Coming to you from Ladysmith, Lonely Canadian National, Superior Sub-Main. And mile 353.17 with a video lined up for you. Southbound is here. Check them out on the roll lines. We'll lean back and get them. Here we go. ES44 to lead it. Q train, I think.
Columbia, Canada, Pigeon Park in Memphis, Tennessee. Here's the last of it. The National 677.024. Not a bad pass of the Q196 51 of the 12. Wonderful. That'll do it for the 3854 and the C6M rebuild from the first batch of the 3302. How about that? See the return of that C6M rebuild, but why not? So that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith to begin the early afternoon here. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time. Happy railroading and God bless, my friends. I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.